how to take Oxy-Powder. Here it is, our Oxy-Powder for a 10-day colon cleanse. If you take Oxy-Powder as a 10-day cleanse, the aim is to have at least 3 to 5 loose to liquid bowel movements per day. Now this usually all happens within the first 3 hours of getting up. So you don't have to worry about that's going on all day. Start with 4 capsules, and if you do not achieve 3 to 5 loose bowel motions the following day, you want to increase each night 2 capsules until you achieve the desired result. Once you have reached a level of 3 to 5 loose bowel motions a day, then this is your recommended dose for the 10-day cleanse. Now, this might be with 4 capsules, or it could be with 10 capsules, depending really on your body type and what is happening. Now, if you weigh more than 110 kilos, start with 8 capsules in the first night, and then 10 capsules the second night again, and continue until you achieve the desired result of at least 3 to 5 bowel motions the following day. Now, note that you cannot overdose on Oxy-Powder, so don't be afraid to up the capsule if you need to. After the 10 days, reduce the capsules 1 per day, and then your bowel motions should be returning back to normal. If you find that your bowels are not moving to your satisfactions after you reduce the dosage, keep taking Oxy-Powder every second day on a low dosage for another 2 weeks, and then slowly reduce again further until you do not need the Oxy-Powder anymore. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button to our channel underneath this video. And whatever you do, have a fabulous day and stay healthy.